famous Uyghur folk singer Abdurrahim Hayat, who allegedly died beginning of this year, is now supposed to be alive. A video recording released by the official Chinese media service shows Hayat confirming his health and well-being. His exhausted face with the sad look on it, however, tells another story. Some Uyghurs even doubt the authenticity of the video. At the East Turkestan Information Center in Duisburg-Marxloh, there was a conference to the occasion of Abdulhamid Han's 103rd anniversary. Professor Dr. Sultan Mahmud Kasgali, the president of the East Turkish exile government, explained how the Uyghurs suffer in East Turkestan. The incidents in East Turkestan are again causing protests against the Chinese government. Because of the communist terror in East Turkestan, protest marches in Konya, Aydin and Istanbul took place. Shortly after Trump announced his decision to withdraw troops from Syria, General Joseph Votel stated that the withdrawal of more than 2,000 US troops begins in the next few days and weeks. Ordered by Maduro, the Venezuelan army launches a 5-day civilian military exercise. The event will be attended by Maduro, Defense Minister Vladimir Padrini Lopez, as well as commanders of the Army and Air Force. Trump considers a military intervention in Venezuela as possible.